I'm Jorge. We're all Jorge. All right, so let's get in this video. Happy Mother's Day, guys. Happy Mother's Day. Let's really try and learn. Okay, this is going to be the most knowledgeable crypto channel. I really want to help you guys reach your goals. I want to help you guys become better crypto investors. Really become a different mindset when it comes to investing overall. Crypto is so new, and there's so much that is very unknown when it comes to investing in crypto in general. You guys have a lot to really learn and soak in. But I really want you guys to really come and get a better mindset when it becomes crypto oriented information or finance. Those who are going to be able to work hard are really going to benefit a lot out of this channel. That goes without saying, but really guys, we're gonna get into some great tips and go over the market every single day, twice a day. But I really want you guys to know that you guys can do it. Okay, you guys can do it. You guys can change your life with crypto. It's not easy. It's not easy. You guys have a lot to learn. You guys have a lot to work towards, but you can change your life with crypto. You guys are gonna be able to do this in years from now. You will look back, and those who worked hard, those who really put the time and the effort into crypto, you guys are gonna be changed forever. All right. All right. So I'm gonna share with you guys 5 habits. Okay. Before we get into this, I'm gonna share you guys 5 habits to really help you guys become a better trader. I'm gonna be talking about trading a little bit more, but I don't want to get too deep into it until you guys really pick up more on crypto, because I don't want to just throw something at you and something that only 5% of people will succeed in and not give you guys the best ability to succeed. So I'm gonna give you guys 5 tips on it. Right. So first of all, you need to have stability. Okay, you need to be stable. You guys have to be able to be investing some that you're willing to lose. But what I'm really referring to this is we really have to talk about this one first. Okay, you need to have stability every day when you're trading or investing. Okay, you need to be consistent. You need to have strategy, and you guys cannot be getting too aggressive, or else you guys are going to lose in this trading game. It's very easy to get too aggressive, especially if you're new. The people that are more experienced, they know that being aggressive is just going to get you guys hurt. And yes, I've been aggressive sometimes, but I was still stable while doing it. And there's a difference between being aggressive when you're stable and being aggressive when you're not stable. Just make sure to have stability. Okay. The second tip for you guys is to really have some self-control, have some discipline. Let's say you guys bought 5 small caps and they kept on going down in price, and you guys did not want to buy these high caps. You guys were just waiting for these gains to come. Okay. And you guys kept on adding money while these small caps were dipping. All right. You guys do not own any high caps. Okay. That's an example of having no self-control. You can't control or have any discipline on your investments. You guys need to be doing that, especially in crypto. Okay. There's money to be made at all times. And you guys need to be having self-control, or else you're going to have a higher chance of getting hurt. All right, so the third thing that you guys really need to do in your life is you need to be on a schedule. Okay, when you wake up in the morning, or when you do something throughout the day, let's say you wake up, you look at the market, and you look at the same 20 to 30 charts every single morning, every single afternoon. You watch the same videos on crypto every single day. You need to get on a schedule with crypto. This isn't something that you can do 2 to 3 times a week and that's it. You guys will be the most successful if you get on a daily schedule. You guys really have to do that. And the fourth thing is you guys need to be patient. Okay, these gains will come. You guys can't force these gains to come. I know BitBoy can force these gains to come. You know, he could chill out his coins, or these other YouTubers can chill out their coins, but you guys are different. Okay, you guys need to be patient. Okay, and when you lose money, you guys got to be patient too. Always have patience when investing and in your life. You guys need to be patient in life. That's how you really overcome a lot of challenges. And the fifth and last one is you guys have to have love and passion for crypto in general. Anything you're going to be doing in your life, if you guys actually have passion for it, you will love what you do. And if you guys do not have passion for trading, if you guys do not have passion for really getting into this is not for you. And you will get extremely irritable of your daily schedule. You will have to be able to get up in the morning and look at crypto and love what you're doing. Have some passion towards it, okay? Have some passion. All right, so let's get into the market right now. So what's going on? Well, TRIAS is up 27x, guys. 27x since initial call. That's pretty good. Definitely make sure to take some profits. But I'm gonna give you guys some insight. Like I said again, I've talked about TRIAS a little bit, and the problem with them is it's gonna take like 6 months for them to really release products, get these patents processed. So I don't see this really hyping up too much more. Maybe we'll see $100 TRIAS. That'd be cool to have 100x. Hopefully that could happen quick, but it might take a little bit. I mean, it just matters how long does hype stay here. When you guys see these cryptos, you see these small caps pump, you don't see them pump for too long. You really don't. TRIAS has been pumping for extremely long period of time, and when this happens, it really is starting to build up a sell-off. And this is what happens with these small caps. It doesn't matter how good they are. It doesn't matter how juicy they are or how much information they have. There's normally sell-offs, and I expect maybe we'll get to $100 or around $50, and we'll start to have some consolidation. We do have a large market cap, fully diluted market cap already on them, so we'll just need to see on that. But very good investment there. Just make sure to take some profits. Obviously, you don't want to be too aggressive, guys. You don't want to be too aggressive. In the long run, the more strict, the more patient you are, you will be making more money than those who don't. And there's different strategies too. I mainly gave you guys 5 tips for trading, okay? The trades that we'll do, and you guys can have different strategies. You guys can only work on crypto 2 or 3 times a week if you guys are just going to be holding long term. But there's a lot more gains to be made if you guys are doing it every day. And I'm trying to get that point across. It's life-changing, guys. It's absolutely life-changing. So we're going to go look at Ethereum. We almost had the 4K Ethereum last night. It did not end up happening, but I do see that panning out probably sometime in the next day or two. Maybe it'll happen today. We'll have to see. Where is my Ethereum chart? I need to get more organized. I thought I had it. So really what we're looking for with Ethereum right now is here. We're looking for a little breakout point. We did dip below. We dipped below the support level right here. The momentum is still there, and once we break 4K, not really much has changed in the market. Essentially, I do see 4K just being another point where Ethereum is going to smash through entirely. But we did have a little dip, guys. Look how much it's look how much this candle on the 4-hour chart has already came back up. That's a great thing to see. A lot of support on Ethereum on the weekend. This run up on the weekend shows a great market to come, and that's going to be very important to really see what Ethereum is doing today. Just because tomorrow's Monday, there's going to be a lot more investors that are going to be getting into the crypto. We always see this every single weekend. Low volume on the weekends. If you see something pumping on the weekends, it's a very good sign. That means that these people are working on the weekends, and they're buying these cryptos. It's mainly retail investors. And what's going to follow after them? Probably more people during the week. A lot more people are investing during the week. So we're around $3,830. And I do have to show you guys something that's very important that you guys really need to understand, okay? So when we compare Ethereum to Bitcoin in the past almost month and a half, you have to understand how crazy this is, okay? We've had Ethereum outperform Bitcoin. Wait, what is this? This is April. Let's go to the beginning of April. All right, so the beginning of April, we've had Ethereum outperform Bitcoin by 120%. Really take that into consideration. Ethereum has outperformed Bitcoin by 120% in 1 month. That's pretty crazy, guys. That's absolutely that's insane. And guess what we did? We threw our money into Ethereum 1 month ago. So that's a great thing to catch right there. As Ethereum over the past months, we haven't really seen it outperform Bitcoin too much. The last time it outperformed Bitcoin, let's see what we had here. I do see this continuing. We did have a 80% run up here, almost I would say 90. But we're gonna keep on seeing this, guys. We're gonna keep on seeing this. A a lot more of these retail investors are really pushing into Ethereum heavy, and there's no reason not to. It's just going to keep on growing, and with the deflationary event that they're having, if you guys are holding Ethereum 4 or 5 years, it's just going to only go up in price, guys. I do not see this really bottoming out or consolidating. It's just an amazing project, right? Amazing use case with the IEP 15999, whatever it was, sorry. But look how we see these support levels, right? We do not see it under these resistance levels, actually, okay? So the resistance levels are the ones that are above it, like this right here. This red one, that's a resistance level right here. Breaks through it, resistance level, breaks through it, resistance level, breaks through it. We're just seeing it like smash these resistance levels. And they don't just go up a little bit once they break these resistance levels. We're seeing a 10% run up every time we see it break resistance. And those are the main resistance levels. So that's a very good pattern to pick up on Ethereum. A lot of people are buying it once it consolidates or once it has a little dip. And we haven't seen Ethereum really struggle at all in the past month, ever since the IEP 1559 event was released. And I don't see that stopping, guys. I do not see that stopping. I see $4,500, $5,000 Ethereum coming sooner or later. And we really have to be looking out for that. We have to be putting our profits into Ethereum. There's no reason not to. You guys need to be taking profits. Crypto is a very volatile place. There's going to be money to be made. I know you guys might not have all the insight. We will get into really the knowledge of being able to make money at all times in crypto. I swear, guys, there's money to be made at all times. And Ethereum right now is one of those things where you guys are just gonna need to learn Ethereum, put your money into Ethereum. Great thing to be holding. I just don't see it stopping anytime soon, guys. I don't. I just keep on getting more bullish on it every single day. So let's go over the market a little bit. I'm going to go over some top gainers. We do have Matic up a lot today, guys. We did call this. We called this last night, and we also called Altcoin and ADA. All the top three. We'll count Shiba, by the way. I haven't talked about Shiba Inu on this channel, and I will get in it. Like, you guys have to understand, you can't hate on these meme coins. Yes, they're taking money away from these great projects, but at the end of the day, you guys have to be a great investor. You guys have to be a good investor where you guys are not looking more or less at the use case, but you're more looking at the price action. Okay, I love to look at use case. I'm going to be holding these use case projects for longer, and if I do have a project where it's just a meme coin and I make money off of it, I'm going to be throwing this money into good projects. Okay, I'm just using it to make money. And with these meme coins, you have to be coming into the mindset of how does the TA work? How does the price action really go up? And you need to be able to have that confidence and that emotionless effort when going into these meme coins. And a lot of people will hate on you for investing into meme coins, but if you're a good investor, you look at any single thing and try to make money off of it. You guys try to make the most potential you can. So we're gonna go over Matic. I'll go over Matic, Tel, and ADA real quick, and then we'll go over some more. I do see Matic really taking off, right? We said once it broke this support level, where was the support level? Right here. Okay, once it broke this 8.5 support level, we were going to see it bounce back up to around 97 cents. And what we're looking for now is this higher high, right? This resistance level right here. It's consolidating right at this resistance level, or a little bit above. But we see this resistance level, right? I guess it's already broken it a little bit, but we really need to see this stay above it, right? We've had these 2 candlesticks above it, and what we need to see right now is we need to see the next leg up. We probably need to see it go to at least $1.10. And once it gets to $1.10, we do have another sell price around $1.12, $1.20. I definitely say maybe take 20 to 30% profits, and then 20 to 30% profits. And then I do see it consolidating a little bit. We might see another run up after that consolidation, but I do see Matic really being bullish, guys. It's in the L2 solutions. They're really going to be a beast, guys. Matic's an absolute beast. It's insane how undervalued they are right now. With Ethereum pumping, Matic's going to pump, OMG is going to pump. A lot of these L2s are going to pump, guys. This is just how the market correlates with each other, right? We have these cryptos that correlate with Ethereum. They're basically through Ethereum's network. They're helping out Ethereum. When Ethereum goes up in price, Matic's going to go up in price. These L2 solutions are going to go up in price. And we saw this consolidation period. We saw Ethereum pumping. And want to know what Matic was doing? It was just consolidating, guys. And now that it's finally broke out, we're going to see it catch back up to Ethereum. I said Ethereum was up 30% on the week, and I said Matic's going to beat that. Matic's going to catch up to that. It's just a matter of time. And it did. I mean, this is how the market correlates with each other. You guys really got to find this correlation with these cryptos. I promise there's correlations in every single sector. So let's go into ADA next, okay? Where is ADA? ADA, USDT, Binance. All right. What else should I go into? We'll Cardano. All right. Sorry about this, guys. A little bit of some weird stuff happening, right? So what we saw right here, we saw the higher highs. We saw the bounce up, right? And what we saw right here, this resistance level right here, got broken through. And want to know what happens when it broke through this one? We saw this leg up to the 80 cents range. And right now, our next goal is around $2. I don't see ADA really going above $2, $2.50 for a long time. I do see maybe a 3-week period, 4-week period of consolidation around there. But you can never really gauge that just yet. But I do see a push up. Okay, I do see a push up to around the $2 range. Maybe in the next day or two. When Monday happens, we'll probably see a lot of institutions maybe buying Cardano. I don't know. We'll have to see. But I do see them pushing to the $2. And I definitely think it's time. If you guys have some ADA, that's a really, really good amount of profit. If there's a dip in the market, we saw how low Cardano bounced, okay? We saw them go to 99 cents, or 92 cents to be exact. We put in trades on them, right? And if there's another dip in the market, which there's probably going to be one this month. We have around 20 days left of this month, 22 days or 21. And we really need to make sure to take these profits and get ready for that, because you're just going to be sitting through these dips, sitting on your hands essentially, and you're not going to be able to get into these trades, because we do see 50% dips with some of these altcoins, and they bounce back up literally within 24 hours, right? We saw these 50% gains last dip, and within 12 hours we were getting these. It was very, very nice. Yeah, those were the all-night streams. Okay, those who participated, that was fun. So what else? Telcoin. All right, we'll go over Telcoin, and I'll get into some more stuff. We are going to be doing I'm going to be doing like an 8 or 9 hour live stream where we're going to find the next gem. Okay, we're going to be going through a bunch of gems, and I think this is a great idea. We could do this like once or twice a week, where we'll really look through a bunch of cryptos together, right? If I have like 500 people watching me, and we're all trying to find these gems together, imagine what we could do, guys. Imagine what we could do. I could teach you guys how to research, right? I could teach you guys how to really look into a crypto. How is this going to be powerful? How is this going to cause a movement? And I could teach you guys how to do that so you could do it on your own, but then we could also all as a community be researching into these cryptos. It's a great idea, I think. So we'll probably do that maybe once the market's a little in consolidation mode. I'll probably be doing the market while we're doing that. I always do anyways. So with Telcoin, we're hitting this support level, right? Once this breaks out of this support level, we're going to see a large pump with Telcoin. You guys saw this momentum that we had, right? We are seeing a consolidation period, but Telcoin's extremely undervalued, guys. Extremely undervalued. I do see them hitting the 50 cent mark, and then pushing from there. Right now, we're sitting around 41 cents, but it's very, very volatile, guys. What's the volume on Telcoin? Let's check real quick. The volume is only 124 million right now, but I don't think that's right. I don't think that's right, guys, but we'll only see. Doesn't sound right. Okay, but we need to make sure the volume stays up. I'm not sure what the volume was these days, but sorry about that, guys. You guys need to be correlating this with a volume. Once Telcoin really picks up volume, I expect maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll see large volume in Telcoin. We've been holding them for quite a while, and we've been taking profits along the way. We did put in another buy order, I believe, around 30 something cents, 37, 35 cents. But that was a great buy. We saw the consolidation. We saw the next leg up. We know the fundamentals behind Telcoin. We know how undervalued they are. That's why this was such a good trade. And we've been making a lot of trades on this channel where you guys see the profits. You guys are participating, and it's very cool to see you guys really understand and start to pick up on how the market works and how to really get these gains. How are people able to predict that these coins will shoot up 50%, 60%, and almost get the majority of them every single week? It's very interesting, right? And I love doing it, guys. I love this. So yeah, I do see Telcoin, guys. I do see Telcoin breaking through this little support level right here, and then hitting around 50 cents. Might see that tomorrow, might see that today, but it's going to happen eventually. Okay, within the next week, that's going to happen. Not next week, probably next 2 or 3 days. So that's at least a 20% gain from now, or 25% from now. So we're really looking at the market, guys. Look how Cardano is passing by every single thing in the market. And by the way, Dogecoin, guys, Dogecoin money is going to be circulating around in the market now. A lot of people, okay, we got to talk about Dogecoin. I'll do a whole video on them because I have been leverage trading Dogecoin for around 3 months. I'm going to share all my secrets in that stream. I'm gonna show you guys really how to make money off of Dogecoin. And I mean, it's kind of, you guys might think it's a bad thing. You guys might think, oh, that's a terrible thing to do. You guys have to understand, if you're a good investor, right? If you're a great investor, you don't care about really the coins use case. I hate Dogecoin. I do. I hate that it's not really helping anything, right? But I don't care. I'm trying to make money off of it, and there's very easy ways to predict Dogecoin, especially with all the retail investors through Robinhood and through Twitter, through Reddit. You guys can really gauge a perspective on when Dogecoin is going to run up and when it's going to short. We had so many people shorting Dogecoin before the SNL. We had Grayscale even. Institution was shorting Dogecoin. So I will be going over that Dogecoin tutorial on how to leverage trade them. Probably tomorrow or maybe today. We'll have to see. I am a little bit busy today, but we'll have to see about that. Yes, a lot of people were shorting Dogecoin, and it was not the hardest thing to really predict, guys. A lot of whales are just shorting and leverage trading Dogecoin every single day because it's not the hardest thing to predict. And I will get into that. I will show you guys really what you have to do to really gauge a great perspective on Dogecoin. I don't want to hurt anyone while doing this though, because I don't want to give someone advice and they don't follow it and they get absolutely wrecked, because that can happen. So I need to go through that slowly but surely. We'll spend some time on that. So let's go through a few other coins, okay? Right. Let's see what's up today. ADA, yeah, ADA's one of the top performers, guys, today. That's absolutely that's pretty crazy, guys. That's pretty crazy to see ADA one of the top performers of today. Just saying, guys, that's pretty good. We haven't seen that in quite a while. The last time we saw ADA outperform some things in the market was back in February or January. It's been a while, guys. It's been 3 months. So we do have a few other things performing well. We do see VRA finally picking up some steam. Woo, guys. Have I talked about Woo Trees? I believe I did. Yeah, I did. I believe I talked about them a while ago, actually. But right now we're seeing this bounce off of this support level right here, and this is a higher low though. This is a higher low, and look how easily we guys can see this support level. You guys see right here how it bounced off of these wicks, right? This support level was very easy to really gauge a perspective on. I'm trying to point these out so you guys could really see them, right? We can really see these support levels, because if you guys really want to get good at trading, you guys really want to get good at crypto, you guys need to be charting every single day. And I know it might be boring at first. I know you guys might not enjoy it, but I promise you guys will be more successful in life doing that. So it's just about pointing stuff out. Should you be waiting to buy TRIAS or move on to the next coin? Should you be waiting to buy TRIAS or move on to the next coin? I would just be, if you guys are not invested into TRIAS already, wait for a dip, okay? Wait for a dip. If you guys want to hold some on the dip long term, go ahead. But the main strategy with TRIAS, what we did is we're just taking our profits along the way. And what do I mean by a dip? I would say at least 20 to 30%. That's what I would do, okay? I'm just saying that's what I would do. You can do whatever you want with trading, but it's just TRIAS could go up to $100. It could, but you want to know what? There's more of a chance of it having a large dip because it does not have a fully implemented product out. It's just patents right now. And I just want to let you know that because a lot of people are going to be taking profits. A lot of people are up right now, and there's a lot of hype around it. When the hype dies off, you guys are going to see a dip like any single one of these other coins. Like this, guys, look at momentum goes down, hype goes down, volume goes down. We're gonna see the volume, the price go down until the momentum picks up again. And when we look at TRIAS, guys, all right, but yes, I do see Woo Trade going to around $1.50 in the short term. Once it breaks that little support level, we're gonna see another run up. Can VRA get to a billion market cap this bull run? Yes, it can. There's a great chance of it happening. We'll go over VRA a little bit. Let me find them. But yes, why do I believe in VRA? Well, they need a Binance listing, right? That's going to be coming in the future. They need a Binance listing, right? We do love VRA, and guys, look at this. Look at this candle, right? We haven't seen a great candle like this in VRA since the last. Wow, guys, that's awesome. We haven't seen a candle like this in a while, guys, in quite a while. That's on the 30-minute scale, by the way. That's on the 30-minute scale. Yeah, expect a little run up, guys. Look at this candle, guys. What happened with VRA today? Someone let me know. There's probably going to be some news coming out very shortly. But what we know with VRA is, first of all, number one, we have a lot of patents coming through VRA. We did have one called the proof of view, going to be allowing them to advertise on the web, and this is going to be able to make them a completely different sector or create a different sector for them to make money from. We're probably going to see VRA, in my opinion, run up 40%, 30% from when that happens at least. And when they get their Binance listing, they're going to have more ability for them to be bought through Binance. They're going to be able to be traded on Binance, and we're going to see great things come with that. Anytime we see a Binance listing with a smaller cap coin with a lot of hype like VRA, we're probably going to see at least a 2 to 3x, okay? At least a 2 to 3x. And this is me being very, very generous, okay? There still is a massive ability for them to at least pull off a 10x by the end of the year, or even higher than that. I'm just letting you guys know because KuCoin isn't the best site to really be holding a currency. I'm sure VRA is on a few others though. Let me check. Yeah, we do like VRA on this channel, and you guys have to understand that VRA needs some more listings. Yeah, they have KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io. Those aren't the best. Best exchanges to be listed on. It's very hard to get price movement on those. You really need an insatiable amount of hype. Insatiable. Yeah, we do see it up 12%. That's a great thing to see, guys. That's a great thing to see. So, what are we looking at as of right now? We really need to see a few of these alts take off that we've been looking at right now. Can you explain when to take profits? All right, so this varies from crypto to crypto though. So when we're taking profits, in my opinion, you have to have a set price in your head. Is it 50%? Is it 60%? Is it 100%? I always recommend probably 80 to 100%. Take around 50% of that investment and either hold it in Ethereum right now or hold it in the stable coins and then buy back in on these other currencies. Diversify your portfolio because you will be able to get gains in other cryptos if you diversify, right? You might have that one go up 3x and you pulled out some profits out of it, but there's going to be other cryptos that you're going to be able to make money off of. And sometimes having one go up 3x, it hurts, but then having that one, when you take out 50% profits, go down 20, 30%, it feels good because now we're able to make money from another crypto, if that makes sense. So you have to have a target in your head. And when you're trading, you do not want to get greedy. You just want to get your 20% profit or your 30% profit in that week time or that couple day time, and then you're out. You never want to be greedy when trading. So I do think Ethereum could hit that $1 billion, but we'll really need to see how things pan out. So yes, I am bullish on it. Yeah, I do just want you guys to be careful with TRIAS, though. I really want you guys to be very, very careful with TRIAS. And like I said, let's go over TRIAS one more time, and I'm probably going to be ending the stream there. I will be doing a few other streams tonight, but I really want you guys to really realize that TRIAS right now, we haven't had a pullback, guys. I'm just saying, when you have stuff that runs up exactly like TRIAS has, we really haven't had a pullback. These are people taking profits right here, right? But if you guys see these dips like this, we got to find the next support level. Let me actually draw out the supports. So we have a support level at 22, we have a support level around 26, and then we have this resistance level around 27, 28. And with TRIAS, we haven't seen this large retracement, and it's probably gonna happen eventually, guys. We always see these with these small caps. I know this might be one of your first small caps that you've gone into that's gone up around 20x in the matter of a month. But you guys have to be taking profits, diversifying. It's always the smart thing to do. It's always the safe thing to do. You guys can choose to do any sort of strategy you want. I'm just sharing the one that I found the most success with, the one that most people that have been in crypto a long time doing the same sort of hours that I do will do. And a lot of you don't understand that, but it's very simple. It's very simple. So what you have to do right now with TRIAS, just really make sure, guys. If you're up a lot on anything, why not take profits? Why not? It's just the smart thing to do. I'm just saying. I mean, you guys could do whatever you want. I have to look at TrueBit on a different, maybe they have it on TradingView. No, I think you have to go on DEX. But TrueBit is going to be very big in the next few years. It's just with the certain price action that we saw. The certain dip that we saw scared off a lot of people. I'm still looking at them. Look how much their volume died off, guys. We had over almost 1 billion volume with TrueBit, and then look at this, guys. Look at where we're at right now. We're at 22 million volume, and we're still seeing pushes up, guys. We're still seeing a large price action up. You want to know what this is? This is these whales loading up on TrueBit. They realize how big TrueBit's going to be in the future. Well, all these retail investors were just trying to get these quick day trades. I'm just saying that's how it is. That's how the market works. We see these quick retail investors trying to get profits, and then we see a whale take profit, and then we see these retail investors again until the volume goes down. When you guys see something going up with the volume being down, most of the time it's whales loading up. When it's up 16% and the volume's only at 21 million, I believe it's whales, guys. It's whales, and that's a very great thing to see. Nano update. All right, we'll go over Nano. I'll do that one last. I've editors telling me to do the Nano update. Nano. It's down 1%. We do see a support level that wasn't able to be breached right here. It bounced off of the support level, right around $9.65. And we have this resistance level right here, and then we have these other ones up here, but we really need to see the push up towards let me find the other resistance. I would say right here is a pretty good resistance. So it actually needs to stay above these two resistances, or else it's probably going to drop down to $8.55. If that happens, that's a great buy, because I am bullish on Nano, guys. It's very undervalued. You guys are going to see a run up with Nano sooner or later. We just need to really see what's happening right now. We're going to be buying, or at least I'm going to be buying and sharing some of the things that I buy tonight when I stream. I do a lot of these trades on Sundays. That's the smart thing to do in crypto. Maybe Sunday afternoon, maybe Sunday night. But it's going to be probably Sunday. I'll probably stream in 8 hours, 9 hours from now, and we'll do that. But yeah, Nano is definitely one that I'm going to be looking at for sure. So I'm going to be ending the stream there. Thank you guys. Hope you have a great day, and any mothers out there, happy Mother's Day. Have a great night.